Hello, my name is Mary Takaoka, and I will teach you how to pronounce the letter L, as in light or fall. Put the tip of your tongue just behind your front teeth. Use your voice, oh. To make the sound oh, the air goes over the sides of your tongue and out of your mouth. Listen and repeat. Oh. Night, light. No, low. 9, line. Connect, collect. Snow, slow. 10, tell. Pin, pill. Bone, bowl. Mine, mile. No, low. Night, light. Connect, collect. 10, tell. Bone, bowl. Snow, slow. Is it light already? Write it under the line. I dropped a pill. That's the dog bowl. There were low tables in the room. He collected the pieces. Clock, class, people, trouble, simple. Listen, look, hello, a lot, late, early, college, relax, usually, 11 o'clock, alarm clock, English class, call, well, cool, help, cold, people, trouble, simple, difficult, almost always, fall asleep, a glass of milk. She has trouble falling asleep. What does Dr. Lopez suggest? Turn all the lights off. Drink a glass of milk. Go to bed later. Sleep in a cool room. Don't lie in bed looking at the clock. Don't watch television in bed. Pronouncing the T sound with the L sound. That'll, what'll, where'll, who'll, when'll, they'll, she'll, we'll, he'll, I'll, or American pronunciation, I'll, you'll. Silent L, for example, in could, talk, milk, calm, felt, is okay. Late, early, sleep, told, trouble, myself, yourself. Call, spell, really? Excellent. Look out! I'll call you later. I don't feel well. I'm leaving in a little while. I fell asleep. Lots of luck. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe.